display of health
upgraded
sensors on the back.
experience over the Galaxy Watch 6.
The display measures 1.5 inches in diameter, making it the largest screen on a Galaxy smartwatch yet.
In the tech realm suggest that
and with a larger
Samsung has
battery
some tricks up
capacity
its
and more
sleeve.
rugged design,
From
this
the buzz
smartwatch is
surrounding
built
from
to last.
advanced sleep analysis
But what
to
really sets
real-time
the
health
Galaxy
monitoring,
Watch 7
the
Ultra
Galaxy
apart
Watch 7
is its potential
AI-driven
inclusion
innovations
of a
like live
next-generation
translation
micro-LED screen.
and chat assist making their
This
way to the
technology
Galaxy 6
promises a
Classic
brighter,
in 2023.
crisper, and more vibrant
Signs
display
point
than
to
its
significant
predecessor,
changes
all
on
while
the
being
horizon.
more power
It would be a
efficient.
game changer in personal
It's a significant
wellness.
upgrade that could put
As the
the
launch
Galaxy
date
Watch
draws
7
near, the
Ultra
user
ahead of the
experience.
competition.
Those specifics remain
So, what
shrouded
do you
in
think
mystery.
of the Galaxy Watch 7
Under the
Ultra's
hood,
design?
but perhaps the most exciting
Do you like the
aspect is the
peculiar shape
potential
and
for
advanced
revolutionary
features?
health features,
Let us
missing
know in the
unmatched
comment
color,
section
richness,
below.
and energy efficiency.
And stay tuned for
While
more
still
updates
uncertain,
on this exciting new
Samsung may
smartwatch.
deliver with 1.3
In this video,
or
we'll explore the
1.5-inch
Galaxy Watch 7
AMO LED
Ultra's design,
displays.
features, and potential release date. We'll also compare it to its predecessor and other smartwatches in the market. So, if you're interested in wearable tech and want to stay ahead of the curve, this video is for you.